Did you know that if you have an Insta360 Ace Pro or an Ace Pro 2, it's kind of a little bit like having a Leica camera. Now, the camera is not a Leica camera, but it does include a Leica lens. In fact, it's the only action camera to include a lens from one of the most famous brands in opticals in the world. This collaboration between Insta360 and Leica includes 4 Leica engineered color profiles, which are unique to the Insta360. There's this one. There's this one, then there's this one of the new ones with the Insta360 Ace Pro. And finally, there's this one as well. And in this video, we're going to show you how to access and use those amazing Leica lens options on the incredible Insta360 Ace Pro and the Ace Pro 2. Hey, a massive thanks to Insta360 for sending me the amazing Ace Pro 2 to review for this video. I really appreciate their support. Insta360 have been making some incredible action cameras and accessories for many years now, and to learn more about their amazing products, I'll put a link in the description down below. The Insta360 features a Leica-designed Summerit lens, which improves image quality in small sensor cameras, like the Ace Pro 2. The camera also features Leica-engineered color profiles, which can really lift your footage and your photographs to the next level. In the rear screen, you want to swipe to the right. If you have a look here, under the word auto, it has an icon which has 3 circles there. And currently that says standard. So if we tap on that, this is where you're going to find your profiles. So the first one here, if you have a look at, is standard. And this is great for everyday scenes. It's got moderate color rendition on it. So that's pretty handy for most times that you're out shooting. But if you want to use the Leica lenses, from here we just want to swipe down and have the other profiles. Now this one here is the first one we're going to look at. This is Leica Natural. Now Leica Natural has low saturation, has high contrast, and it's great for, say, you're filming architecture or you're doing urban photography. It really emphasizes the differences between light and shadow, so that's a great profile. Next one down is Leica Vivid. Now Leica Vivid has higher saturation, so the colors are brighter, and it really adds some warmth and richness to your photograph or your video. If you're after something a little bit bolder, Eternal could be the one for you, Leica Eternal. It has rich color, strong contrast, and this is great for, say, you're shooting fashion, or maybe we want to capture architecture in a different way. It has a bit of a magenta tone running through it, and for me, it often gives out a really nice retro kind of feel. Now the last one, which I think is pretty amazing. This is the Leica Black and White High Contrast. Now, black and white is great for bringing out the drama in a photograph or in a video. It helps to emphasize the light and the dark in an image or some footage, and also highlights things which you may not always capture when you film in color. I'm a big fan of black and white photography. I think it looks absolutely amazing, and you can actually use this profile for nearly any scene. So which one was your favorite Leica lens? Was it this one, the Leica Natural lens, or maybe this one, the Leica Vivid lens? And there's that classic retro cinematic looking Eternal lens, or do you prefer the old school 1975 TV black and white contrast lens? Let me know in the comments section down below which one is your favorite. If you want to learn more about the amazing Insta360 Ace Pro and some of the accessories that you can get for this amazing camera, click on this link over here now. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this beautiful hike out here at the Morialta National Park here in South Australia. This place is absolutely stunning and a great place to come along and test out your favorite Leica lens.